Yo, guys, today is the day I realized that I can cook. Welcome back to Miss Shia's Kitchen. Today we're making pork stir fry. We'll start by cutting our green, red, and yellow vegetables, and then we are also going to add our onions. Guys, let's go back to it. I can cook! Guys, this was so nice. This was so delicious. This was out of this world. I had never tried a pork stir fry before, so this was my first attempt, and I nailed it. I nailed it. Okay, so let's get into the recipe. We're going to start by putting our cooking oil. As usual, I like to add my meat before it starts popping because I do not like to burn my skin. I'm just going to add our salt. Not so much of salt. Yeah, today I am cooking with salt. Yes, I am. And then we're going to add our onion and our robot, green, red, and yellow pepper. The robot is in. We're just going to fry a bit, turn, for our vegetables to be cooked. Guys, do you know how an onion makes the house smell? Even the neighbors will be wondering, what is this one cooking? Because everything will be smelling amazing. Then we're adding our spices. We'll start with the steakhouse. This is my new favorite. It tastes so good. Ooh, guys, I think this and the vegetable are now my go-to spices. Ooh, the spice is nice. You guys should try it out. I know it's for grill, but it's been tasting really amazing in food. Then the original go-to spice, 7 guns or your 7 colors. You guys can use the spices that you like because everyone has those spices that they always go to. Then my vegetable is seasoning. You know this one. Girl cannot cook without unless it's finished and I can hardly find it. Then we have to go to President, which is far from the house. And anyways, I like to fry my spices. Then the other thing that I love when I'm eating rice, I like to see soup. I like my rice to be drowning in soup. Guys, it's crazy. Who else likes doing that? So I'm just going to add my water here. And yeah, give it a second to boil, allowing the spices to also be well cooked. So we're going to add our broccoli. So when I got it, it had already discolored to a bit of yellow. But remember, when we're cooking it, we still want it to be very green. We don't want the green to go away and for it to turn into brown or yellow. So since we're cooking the one that's already yellow, we're just going to allow it to steam just a bit because we don't want it to be overcooked. Then we're going to add our thickener. I use Norox chili spice because I like it to have a bit of a chili but not so much of it. And then we're just going to allow the Norox to cook and to make the soup thicken without making our broccoli discolor or overcooked, because it has this rubbery taste that ends up coming up. So remember, we do not want our vegetables to discolor. You see, even our green paper is still green. That's what we want in our food. Yeah, why was this playing hard to get? I'm trying to make my plate look yummy, but guys, this is what we got, and best believe this was amazing. Guys, I love food, I love meat. I'm a lioness and I'm a Leo, so it's meat everywhere. Please do let me know how you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you lots, guys.